Good morning, class 6th. How are you all? Today I am going to teach you page number 35 of chapter number 4, word processor, and the topic is editing a table. You can edit and customize the table very easily. First is selecting cells in table. You can select table cells, rows and columns in a table to perform editing task and apply formatting to all the selected areas of the table. It means that if you want to change any text or anything, first you have to select the cells, rows and columns. As you can see that I already created a table in Microsoft Word. In this table, I will do editing by selecting cells, rows and column. First, I will teach you how to change the font size and font color. For this, we have to select the text like this. Go to the cell where you want to change or edit. Click and drag the mouse over cells that you want to select like this. Suppose you want to change these two rows. So first of all, you have to select these two rows and release the mouse. Now go to the font option in the home tab. Click on it. Here number of styles are given. You can select according to your own. Like this, I am going to select this. And now I am going to change the size. Like this. And if I want to change the color, then go to this option, font color option. Always select a dark color so that it can be easily visible. Like this. Yes. Again, I will teach you how to select the text. First, select the cell and click and drag the mouse over cells that you want to select like this, and again go to the font option, click any font you want to select, and size option, again font color like this. And if you want to give the color to a particular cell, then first you have to select the cell like this and go to the text highlighted color option like this. Yes, like this. Yes. I hope you can easily understand. Now, to select a single cell, you can triple click the cell to select everything in it. Suppose if you want to select the name cell, click on the name cell and now triple click the cell like this. Now this is selected cell, and if you want to do any change, you can do it. Again, I will teach you. Go to the cell which you want to select like this. Now triple click, left click like this, and do whatever you want to change like this. I hope you can easily understand. Now to select an entire row. Suppose I want to select this row. take your mouse near the left border of row and click on it. Like this. The black color arrow appears, and now click on the row. Double click. The entire row will be selected. Again, yes, here JKL, click on it, the entire row is selected. Only double click. Again, if you want to select any column, then like this, take your mouse near the top border of the column. Top border is this, and click on it. Just a single click. Like this and like this. Do it very carefully. It is very easy. Do practice at home, and this is your homework. I hope you can easily understand, and if you have any doubt, let me know and please clear it. Thank you and have a